In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form with a subform to show related records in Microsoft Access. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Access. From the top ribbon, go to the Create tab. In the Forms group, choose Form Wizard. The wizard gives you a guided path to build a main form and a subform that displays related records, all without writing code. As in the Tables Queries dropdown, pick the table that will serve as your main form, and this is usually the one side of a one-to-many relationship, like customers for customer orders. Double-click the fields you want to appear on the main form. Think about what you need to see at a glance: names, dates, or key details. You can leave out system fields you don't need to display. Next, switch the same Tables Queries dropdown to the table you want to use for the subform. This is typically the many sides, such as orders or line items. Double-click the fields you want to show in the subform. Choose columns that help you understand each related record, like dates, statuses, or amounts. You don't need to show linking IDs unless they're meaningful to users. Access will detect the relationship between your chosen tables and ask, how do you want to view your data? Select the option Organized by your main table. This tells Access to display each main record along with its related records beneath it, keeping everything in sync as you navigate. At the bottom of the wizard page, make sure Form with Subforms is selected, then click Next. You'll now choose a layout for the subform: tabular or datasheet. Tabular gives you more control for labels and formatting, while datasheet looks like a spreadsheet and is great for quick scanning. Pick the layout that best fits your user's needs, then click Next. Select a formatting style for your forms. This is purely visual, but consistent styling makes forms easier to read. Click Next to continue. Type clear, descriptive titles for both the main form and the subform. These titles become the object names you'll see in the navigation pane, so choose names that make them easy to find later. Decide whether to open the new form in Form View or Design View. Form View lets you immediately use and test the form. Design View is best if you plan to fine-tune labels, spacing, or formatting right away. Finally, click Finish. Access builds the main form with the subform inside. As you move through records on the main form, the subform updates to show only the related records, giving you a clean, connected view of your data.